Students, in the last period we have solved the adjoint of matrix before the Diwali vacation. Now, today we will solve the problems on inverse of matrix. Let us put that inverse of matrix here. Inverse of matrix. It is defined as, let A be a non-singular matrix then A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. That means to find out the inverse, we have to find out determinant of A. If the determinant of A is non-singular, that means if the determinant of A is not equals to 0, then only we can find out the A inverse. The condition is that to get the inverse of a matrix, the determinant of that matrix should not be equals to 0. If it is equals to 0, then 1 upon 0 is infinity. That means we can't find the A inverse. Inverse आपण तेव्हाच find out करू शकतो जेव्हा determinant of A is not equals to 0. That means it is a non-singular. And then we have to find out adjoint of A. So then substitute the value of adjoint of A and determinant of A here. You will get the A inverse. आपण already adjoint find out केला आहे. I hope की तुम्ही practice पण केली असेल adjoint ची. Let us solve some problem on that inverse. Find the inverse of matrix. Find the inverse of matrix. The matrix is matrix of 1, minus 3, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 1. 2, minus 1 and 0. So we have to find the inverse of this matrix. To get the inverse of that matrix, first we have to find out the determinant of A. Now, determinant of A is equals to determinant of 1, minus 3, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1 and 0. Let us simplify this one. Is equals to 1 into 3 into 0, 0, minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1, so that is 1. Middle element is negative, so changing its sign, that will be 3 into minus 3 into 0, minus 3 into 0, that is 0, minus 3 into minus 3 into 0, 2 into minus 1. Minus of minus means plus 2. Then plus 2 into minus 3 into minus 1, that is 3. Minus 3 into 2, that is 6. Let us verify that again. We get, if you simplify it, this is equals to 1 into 0 minus 1, that is minus 1, plus 3 into 0 plus 2, that is 2, plus 2 into 3 minus 6, that is minus 3. So determinant of A is equals to the value of determinant of A is equals to 1 into minus 1, that means minus 1, 3 into 2, that is plus 6, 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6. So plus 6 minus 6 gets cancelled, and that is equals to minus 1. So determinant of A is equals to minus 1. Now we have to find out the adjoint of this matrix. So I write here the matrix is, or matrix A is equals to 1 minus 3 2 minus 3 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 and 0. Now we have to find out the cofactors. हम लोग cofactors एक एक cofactor निकालते जाएंगे and we will write down that values of cofactors in the corner here. So it will be easy to put down the matrix of cofactors there. Now first one, C11 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into determinant of, ये और ये निकल गया आपका, remaining this one 3 minus 1 minus 1 0, that means 3 into 0 0, or I put in here 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 minus 1 0, this end is gone, so 3 minus 1 1 0 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 means positive, so that will be 3 into 0 0 minus minus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1 1, so that is equals to minus 1. The value of C11 is equals to minus 1. Then C12 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. ये 1 plus 2 कहाँ से आया? Here 1 plus 2 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into determinant of C12 means disposition. ये और ये निकल गया, remaining minus 3 minus 1 2 0, minus 3 minus 1 and 2 0 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 means 3, minus 1 raised to 3, that is odd, that is minus into in bracket minus 3 into 0 0 minus of minus plus 1 into 2 2, so you get this is equals to minus 2, that means C12 equals to minus 2. Then comes C13 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into determinant of C13 means this position, ये और ये गया, minus 3 3 2 minus 1 minus 3 3 and 2 minus 1 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, that means 4, so that is positive, into minus 3 into minus 1 minus minus plus, that is 3, minus 3 into 2 is 6, so it is equals to 3 minus 6 minus 3 minus 3, that means the value of C13 equals to minus 3. Then comes C21 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. C21 यानी कौन सा पोजीशन? सेकंड रो का फर्स्ट. अभी ये फर्स्ट कॉलम और ये गया, यानी बाकी क्या रहा आपका minus 3 2 minus 1 0. Determinant of minus 3 2 minus 1 0. Minus 3 2 minus 1 0. Let us simplify it. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So minus 1 raised to 3, that is negative. Negative of minus 3 into 0 0 and minus 1 into 2 minus 2, that means minus of minus plus 2. So it is equals to minus 2. So the value of C21 equals to minus 2. Then comes C22 equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into determinant of. Now minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2, that means 4. Minus 1 raised to 4. Minus 1 raised to 4 into determinant of C22. C22 means मिडल पोजीशन, ये छोड़ दिया और ये छोड़ दिया, बाकी क्या रहा 1 2 और 2 0, 1 2 and 2 0. Minus 1 raised to 4 is positive, so this is positive of 1 into 0 0 minus 2 into 2 4, that is equals to minus 4. So the value of C22 is equals to minus 4. Then C23 equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into determinant of C2 3, that means this position. तो ये कॉलम और ये गया आपका, तो बाकी रहा 1 2 and 2 0. Something is wrong. C22 means this one. ये गया आपका और ये गया 1 2 C22. This one. C22 means this one. तो इसमें आपका ये और ये निकलेगा 1 2 and 2 0. 1 2 and 2 0. C23 means this one. Now in this ये गया आपका, ये गया, this one and this one gone. So 1 minus 3 and 2 minus 1. C23. C23 means this position. This row and this column छोड़ दिया हम लोगों ने, तो बाकी रहा 1 minus 3 and 2 minus 1. 1 minus 3 and 2 minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3, that means 5. So that is negative. 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Minus of minus plus 6. So it is equals to minus 1 plus 6, 5. 5 of minus, that is equals to minus 5. So C23 is equals to minus 5. Then comes C31 is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 into determinant of C31 means this position. This and this gone. Minus 3 to 3 minus 1. Minus 3 to 3 minus 1 is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 is 4, that means positive, into minus 3 into minus 1 3, minus 3 into 2 6, 3 minus 6 is equals to minus 3. So C31 is equals to minus 3. Then C32 is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2, that is 5, into determinant of C32 means this one. ये और ये निकल गया 1 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1 2 minus 3 minus 1. That is simplified. This is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 means 5, that means negative. Negative of 1 into minus 1 minus 1, minus minus 3 into 2 minus 6, minus of minus, that means plus 6. 6 minus 1, that is 6 minus 1, that is 5. 5 of minus, that is minus 5, is equals to minus 5. Then comes last element, that is C33, minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 into determinant of C33 means this column and this one. What is remaining? 1 minus 3 minus 3 3. 1 minus 3 minus 3 and 3 is equals to, this is positive of minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3, that is 6. 6 is an even number, so that is positive. Positive of 1 into 3 3, minus minus 3 into minus plus, plus of minus, that is minus, minus 9. 3 minus 6, that is equals to minus 6. So we have got the cofactors of 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1, then 3 2. C32 equals to, we have got this is minus 5, and the last one is C33, that we have got minus 6. Now write down the matrix of cofactors. Matrix of cofactors is equals to matrix of C11, that is minus 1, C12 is minus 2, C13 is minus 3, C21 minus 2, C22 minus 4, C23 minus 5, then C31 minus 3, C32 minus 5, and C33 minus 6. This is the matrix of cofactors. Now adjoint of this matrix. Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equals to transpose of cofactors. Adjoint of A is equals to transpose of cofactor matrix, which is equals to matrix of. Now transpose means rows into columns, the first row into first column. So that is same, first row into first column. You have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, well, as it is there, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Second row into second column, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5. So again same, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5. Third row into third column, minus 3, minus 5, minus 6, minus 3, minus 5, and minus 6. This is the adjoint of the given matrix A. Now we have to find out the inverse of A. So the inverse is A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Substitute values is equals to, we have got determinant of A equals to minus 1. So 1 upon minus 1 into adjoint of A आपल्याला मिळाला आहे minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5, minus 3, minus 5, minus 6. Now if you simplify it, one upon minus 1, that is minus 1. Taking that minus sign inside, this will be equals to 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, and 6. This is the value of A inverse of the given matrix A. So that is our first problem. That is our first problem. That means we have found the inverse of A when the given matrix A is given. Now we will, for practice, we will solve again the second problem on the inverse of matrix. Let us consider that. Find the inverse of second problem. Find the inverse of A equals to matrix of one zero minus 1, 1 0 minus 1, 3 4 5, 0 minus 6 minus 7. We have to find the inverse of this matrix. आपण already problem solve केला आहे. In the same way, we have to find out we have to solve the second problem. Now first step is we have to find out the determinant of A. Determinant of A is equals to, now I solve directly here. Determinant of A equals to determinant of this one. We get 1 into 4 into minus 7, that is minus 28, minus of minus 6 into 5, that is minus 30, that means plus 30. 1 into 7 into 4, that is minus 28, minus 30, but minus of minus plus 30. Second element is 0, so you may write minus 0 into anything, that will be 0. No need to write down that elements in the bracket. Minus 1 into minus 1 into 3 into minus 6, that is minus 18, minus 0. So if you simplify it, we get minus 28 plus 30, that is 2. 2 into 1, that is equals to 2. This will be 0. Minus 1 into minus 18 into minus 0, that is minus 18. Minus 18 into minus 1, that is plus 18. So 2 plus 18, that is equals to 20. I repeat again. 1 into this one, minus 7 into 4, minus 28, plus 30. 0 into anything, that will be 0, so no need to write down here. यहाँ पे लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Third element is minus 1, so minus 1 into 6 into minus 3, that is minus 18, minus 0. Minus of minus plus 18, minus 28 plus 30 is 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 18 equals to 20. That means the value of determinant of A is equals to 20. Since determinant of A is equals to 20, which is not equals to 0, therefore A inverse exists, and that means we can find the inverse of A. Why? Because the determinant of A is not equals to 0, that means a non-singular matrix. So I write here all the values. ये होगा आपका A का वैल्यू. उसके बाद में हम लोगों को मिला है, we have got determinant of A. Determinant of A equals to 20. Now we find the cofactors values one by one. This is the space for writing the values. C11 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into determinant of C11 means ये गया आपका और ये गया. डिटरमिनेंट रहेगा 4, 5, minus 6, minus 7. 4, 5, minus 6, minus 7. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 means 2. Minus 1 raised to 2 is positive. So this will be positive of 7 into 4 minus 28 plus 30. That is equals to 2. So the value of C11 equals to 2. Then C12 equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into determinant of C12 means ये पोजीशन आ गया आपका. इस पोजीशन में आपका फर्स्ट रो गया और ये गया, बाकी रहा 3, 5, 0, minus 7. 3, 5, 0, minus 7 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, that means 3. So minus 1 raised to 3 is odd. Minus 1 raised to odd is minus. So this is negative. Negative of in bracket 3 into minus 7, that is minus 21. 5 into 0 is minus 0. So minus of minus, that is plus 21. So the value of C12 equals to 21. Then comes C13 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into determinant of. डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ क्या आएगा आपका C13 मीन्स ये पोजीशन, ये और ये निकल गया आपका, बाकी रहेगा आपका 3 into minus 6, sorry 3, 4, 0, minus 6. 3, 4, 3, 4, 0, minus 6. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 means 4. So ये आ गया आपका पॉजिटिव. पॉजिटिव ऑफ 3 into minus 6 is minus 18. 4 into 0 is minus 0. So that is equals to minus 18. So the value of C13 is equals to minus 18. Then comes C31. C2, not 31, C21. The value of C21 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into determinant of. C21 means second row का फर्स्ट है, ये गया और ये गया, आपका सेकंड रो गया और फर्स्ट कॉलम गया, तो बाकी रह गया 0 -1 -6 -7, 0 -1 -6 -7. C21 मीन्स दिस पोजिशन, तो ये आपका ये रो चला गया और ये कॉलम चला गया, तो बाकी 0 -1 -6 -7, 0 -1 -6 -7. -1 raised to 2 plus 1 is negative, so this will be negative of 0 into -7 0, minus of minus plus, plus of minus again minus, 1 into 6 is 6. Now minus of minus, that is equals to 6. So C21 that is equals to 6. Then comes C22 is equals to -1 raised to 2 plus 2 4. यहीं पे आपको समझना चाहिए, देखो यहाँ पे 1 plus 1 2, 2 is even number यानी पॉजिटिव आएगा, ये 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 is odd number यानी यहाँ पे नेगेटिव साइन, 1 plus 3 is 4, even, that is here, 2 plus 1 odd यानी नेगेटिव, 2 plus 2 4 यानी यहाँ पे कोई से पॉजिटिव, -1 raised to 2 plus 2 into determinant of 2 2 means ये 4 वाला पोजीशन, तो आपका सेकंड रो और ये गया, तो बाकी रह गया 1 -1 0 -7, 1 -1 0 and -7 is equals to, this is पॉजिटिव, जैसा मैंने बताया था आपको, 2 plus 2 4 यानी पॉजिटिव, 1 into -7 that is -7, minus -1 into 0 that will be +0, so it will be equals to -7. So the value of C22 equals to -7. See here, 1 into -7 -7, minus -1 into 0 that is 0, so you may write +0 or -0, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला इससे. Then C23 is equals to -1 raised to 2 plus 3 5. 2 plus 3 5 is a odd number, यानी यहाँ पे साइन आएगा आपका नेगेटिव, इनटू डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ, यू में डायरेक्टली राइट आएंगे माइनस ऑफ. अब देखो 2 3 यानी ये पोजीशन गया आपका, तो ये रो और ये गया, तो बाकी रह गया आपका 1 0 0 -6. ये और ये निकल गया 1 0 and 0 -6, 1 0 and 0 -6. देखो अभी कितना वैल्यू होता है, 1 into -6 is -6, this will be -0, minus of minus that is equals to 6. So C23 is equals to 6. Then comes C31. C31 equals to -1 raised to 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4 into determinant of C31 means ये पोजीशन, यानी ये रो गया अभी और ये कॉलम गया, बाकी क्या रहेगा आपका 0 -1 4 5, 0 -1 4 and 5 is equals to -1 raised to 4, 3 plus 1 4 positive, even number, that means positive, of 0 into 5 0, minus 4 into -1 -4, यानी माइनस वो हो गया प्लस, that will be 4 is equals to 4. So the value of C31 equals to 4. Then comes C32. Let us find out the value of C32. C32 is equals to -1 raised to 3 plus 2 is 5 into determinant of 3 plus 2 means this position, तो ये और ये निकल गया आपका, the remaining is 1 -1 3 5, 1 -1 3 5. So 5 is an odd number, यानी आ गया नेगेटिव, 1 into 5 that is 5, minus 3 into -1 -3, so minus of minus plus 3, 3 plus 5 8, and that will be equals to -8. See here, 1 into 5 5, minus 1 3 into -1 minus of 3, minus of minus means plus 3, 5 plus 3 8, 8 of minus, that is -8. So the value of C32 is equals to -8. Then comes the last element, that is C33. is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3, or you can write directly 6 into determinant of 6 means, sorry, 3 plus 3 means disposition. ये और ये गया आपका, the remaining is 1034, 1034. If you simplify it, you get minus 1 raised to 6, that is positive. So positive of 1 into 4, 4, minus 3 into 0, 0, and that is equals to 4. So the value of C33 is equals to 4. प्रोसीजर थोड़ा लेंदी है, लेकिन आपका प्लस माइनस का कंसेप्ट अगर क्लियर है, देन इट विल बी वेरी सिंपल. Now we have to write down the matrix of cofactors. So cofactor matrix is equals to, put the values, C11 that is 2, C12 that is 21, this is minus 18, 21 that is 6, 22 is minus 7, 23 is 6, 31 is 4, 32 is minus 8, and 33 is 4. This is the cofactor matrix of the given matrix. Cofactor matrix के बाद में आपको क्या निकालना है? Adjoint matrix. So adjoint matrix is nothing but the transpose. Adjoint matrix or adjoint of A is equals to transpose of cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. So it is equals to adjoint of A is equals to transpose of this matrix. What is meant by transpose? Row into column. So this first row that will become first column. So this will be 2, 21, minus 18. Second row will become second column. So 6, minus 7, 6. Third row will be third column. That is 4, minus 8, 4. That is adjoint of matrix. Sometime in exam they may ask only up to the adjoint. Sometime they may ask only inverse. Then ये adjoint के बाद में inverse. What is the inverse? Inverse is A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So substitute value is 1 upon determinant of A, हम लोग ने 1 by 20, 1 upon 20 into matrix of adjoint of A means this matrix 2, 6, 4, 21, minus 7, minus 8, minus 18, 6 and 4. So that is inverse of the given matrix. So in this way you can find the adjoint as well as the inverse of the given matrix. अब इसमें डिफिकल्टी कुछ नहीं आती है सबको. डिफिकल्टी कहाँ पे आएगा? अगर आपका प्लस माइनस में कुछ गड़बड़ किया आपने तभी डिफिकल्टी आएगा. अदरवाइज अगर आपका प्लस माइनस का कंसेप्ट क्लियर है देन यू विल गेट डी आंसर्स. अगर आप 2 प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो और यू मे सॉल्व इवन 100 प्रॉब्लम्स. द मेथड इज सेम. द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑन मैट्रिसेस एंड दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्योंकि इस टॉपिक के ऊपर एक 6 मार्क का क्वेश्चन रहता है आपका. आई एम सेइंग कंप्लीट 6 मार्क्स, द मैक्सिमम मार्क्स इन योर क्वेश्चन पेपर. 6 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन. We will write down that topic name. There is solution of linear equations. Solution of linear equations by matrix method. Solution of linear equations by matrix method. Now here to find out the solution of linear equation, we have already found the solution of linear equations. but that was by determinant method. Here it is by matrix method. Mix up नहीं करने का है. Whenever is the question is by determinant method, you have to solve only by the determinant method. Whenever there is a question by matrix method, you have to solve it only by the using the matrix method. Now to find out the solution of the linear equations by matrix method, we have to consider again the three linear equations. Here consider three linear equations as a11x plus a12y plus a13z is equals to, let us say, b11. Now this is the first equation out of the three equations. Then the second one is a12x plus a22, sorry, a12, this is a21x plus a22y plus a23z is equals to b12. a31x plus a32y plus a33z is equals to b13. So these are the three linear equations in three variables x, y and z, and in the right hand side there is a constant b11, b12 and b13. We have to write down three equations in the matrix form. The three equations in the matrix form. The equations are right here. The equations in the matrix form. The equations in the matrix form are A into x is equals to B. The matrix A into x, matrix x is equals to B. That means matrix of A matrix means the coefficients of x, y, z from all three equations. See here, we have considered the three linear equations as a11x, a12y, a13z equals to b11 up to the last one, that is b13. Then we have to put these three equations in the matrix forms. Three equations in the matrix forms mean there are three matrices: matrix A, matrix X and matrix B. Matrix A is the coefficient, is the matrix of coefficients of x, y, z in all three equations. Matrix X is the column matrix of variables x, y and z, and matrix B is the column matrix of constants. So let us write down the matrices. A means coefficients of x, y, z from the first equation, second equation and third equation. So this will be a11, a12, a13. From the second equation, a21, a22, a23. Third equation, a31, a32 and a33. And this is the matrix A. I repeat again. Matrix A यानी क्या है? Coefficients of x, y, z from all three equations. First equation का first row, second equation is second row, third equation is third row. Into matrix X. Matrix X means what? The column matrix. We know what is the column matrix. The column matrix containing the variables. What are the variables here? The variables are x, y, z. So this is x, y and z is equals to matrix B. What is matrix B? The constants. That means the right hand sides of all the three equations. Constants means without the variables. So B11, B12 and B13. यानी आपको equations दिए हैं. You have to put down those equations in the matrix form as A into x equals to B. A means the matrix of coefficients of x, y, z from three equations. X means the column matrix with the variables x, y, z, and B means the column matrix with the constants which are on the right hand side. These are the standard form. This is the standard form of matrix equations. Now to find out the value of x, y, z, we have to write down these matrices as to find the value of x, y, z, to find the value of x, y, z, write the matrix in the form, write the equations in the form, or write the matrices in the form x is equals to A inverse into B. X is equals to A inverse into B. अब x and A, x, y, z. B means B11, B12 and B13. A inverse that we get, where A inverse equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So here अप टू इनवर्स, ये जो पार्ट है ए इनवर्स हम लोगों ने पिछले प्रॉब्लम तक सॉल्व किया है, यानी इनवर्स का ये नेक्स्ट पार्ट है। ये पहले आपको इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने के लिए फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ऑलवेज फाइंड आउट द ए इनवर्स। टू फाइंड आउट ए इनवर्स फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए, उसके बाद में कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स, देन ट्रांसपोज ऑफ कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स, दैट मीन्स adjoint और determinant of A मिलके आपको we will get A inverse. If you substitute the value of A inverse here, you will get the equation x equals to A inverse into B. Then matrix multiply, the multiplication of matrix A inverse into B, ये दोनों को multiply किया तो you will get the value of x, y, z. This is the complete procedure to find out the value of x, y, z by the matrix method. I am saying by the matrix method. इसके ऊपर पूरा complete 6 मार्क का प्रॉब्लम रहता है. We will solve the problems in the next period. That's enough for today. I hope while coming for the next period, you will revise all these concepts. Thank you.